it's not even together, y'all. What? I'm sorry, I'm just trying to get like, it's like this. I thought it was gonna be like where I could just put it on and snap so I can show y'all real quick. Oh, it is. Wait, hold on. Hold on. I'm trying to find myself, and I just wanna make you proud, but I think that I'm running out of time to figure it out. Girl Slay, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be on my huge Amazon haul, so you don't want to miss that. So right now I have in my hand this is the first item I'm unboxing. This is a flexible tripod, and it's in the brand Ulanzi, if I'm saying that right. Okay, so this is a tripod, and it's the brand Ulanzi. It's a flexible tripod, you guys. So basically this is like a good item. If you don't have this, you should invest in one if you're doing like a YouTube channel, or if you're a photographer. I heard these work really well, especially for vlogging. Like if you're going inside of a grocery store and you just want to hook something up to your cart so you can be able to vlog. That's pretty much why I got this, so I don't have to actually hold a tripod in my hand trying to like record everything that I'm showing. I could just literally simply have it on my cart and it can follow me, and I can just show y'all. So yes, I like this. Like, let's see how it looks. It had good reviews, so this is it. This is it. So this is the tripod here. Y'all might hear some cartoons in the background. That's my daughter, and y'all might hear my other daughter trying to talk, y'all. She's a newborn, but she's like, she makes this like noise and stuff like that. It's so adorable. But this is a tripod right here, and yeah, well, you will need this if you're going to be doing YouTube vlogging, photographer. It's a must to buy purchase thing to hold your phone. I don't know what you call it. It basically is like, I want to say a phone hold. You can just put this like anywhere. Like right now I have in my car the little piece where you can hook your phone and you can hook your camera in your car, but this is actually the piece that I need to be able for it to hold my phone. So you can use this, I'm using it on the piece in my car, but you can use this on a tripod. Like if you have a tripod for your camera and you need something that'll hold the phone, you just twist this. You can twist the other one off and just twist this on it, bam. And I can't remember how much each item cost me, so I will put it on the screen below. And also like I said, the links will be in the description box. So this is what the piece looks like. So you would just simply put your phone in, and it stretches out. It also rotates. That's what I liked about it, that it rotates. So you can do a landscape, and you can do the horizontal. What's in the bag? We're about to see. Okay, I love opening new packages. Sometimes it be feeling like Christmas. Like, I mean, I know what I brought myself, but I really don't know like what it's gonna look like when it gets here. So yeah, this one, I think I know what this is. I think this is my watch, y'all. I ordered a watch, and y'all gonna see, we gonna see, because y'all, this, I'm on a budget or whatever, and this is supposed to be like one of those cheap but like diamond type watches, like bling watches. So let's see if it's blingy how those reviews said, because y'all, sometimes I trust reviews and then sometimes I don't. People be lying. They really do be lying. That's why I do these videos, so people can see what they buying. If you want to, like, everybody wants to know what they're buying before they purchase it. Like, I'm not wasting my money, especially because I'm cheap. I have no problem with saying that anymore. It's like, I don't care. So it comes in a box, like a box inside of a box, of course, because they wanted to protect the watch. So appreciate y'all for doing that. Oh, what is this? Y'all, this is a baggie that came in this I guess like a screw if you need to take a link out, maybe. That's what, yeah, of course, that's what this is for. So it came with that. I'm nervous. I'm nervous because those reviews looked good, and I was like, I gotta get me one of these because I wanted to have something on my wrist to flex with. So let's see if this is gonna help me flex. What the hell? It's not even together, y'all. What? I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get like, it's like this. I thought it was gonna be like where I could just put it on and snap so I can show y'all real quick. Oh, it is. Wait. Hold on. Huh? Hold on. I'm having a dingy moment today. Please excuse the dinginess. How the hell? Hold on. We have technical difficulty. Okay, you guys, this is the watch on. It's really cute. Like, the reviews matched up with how I feel about the watch. So yeah, the positive reviews, okay, I agree. But it is a little big, so I am gonna have to remove one of those links. But I'm glad they gave me the thing to do it. Y'all, but look at that. I feel like a baddie, but a baddie on a budget. I'm gonna have to come with one of those videos, y'all, because I'll be finding some expensive looking stuff. But y'all, this is cute. Like, it's smooth. I just feel like I got money. Like, I look like I got money now. Look at that bling. Show y'all one more time. Yes, that's cute. So I like to watch. So overall I did really good. I did good. I didn't spend a lot of money on the watch. I will put that in the description. I believe it was like $30, y'all. Believe it or not, it was $30. But yeah. Okay, alright. So I forgot that I had this. This is what I was waiting on, y'all. Okay. This is what I was waiting on. So I'm gonna put her link in below. But Coffee and Chit Chat, like, thank you, you're wonderful. Like, you're so wonderful. Like, I watched her unboxing, y'all, and then she did a video and had this, and it was like a waist trainer. So basically your girl done had two babies. Basically, I never had time to just snap back, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you Kardashians, you can just literally snap back because you got money to snap back. But for regular folks like me that don't have that money, that's not about to even go under a type of knife, you know, no shade. If you don't went under the knife, no shade to you. But me, no, all natural. I don't want to. I'm scared. That's why knives scare me. I don't know if it's a knife for real, but I don't know. However y'all get that surgery, it scares me. I don't want surgery. She featured one of these items in her video, and y'all, she looked snatched, and I'm trying to look snatched too. So your girl need a waist trainer, and I like it. It's pink. It's my favorite. What's my favorite color, y'all? Because y'all should know this by now. Pink, popping pink. So I got this popping pink one, and yes, you know, gotta be extra. But yes, I don't know how it's. I know it works for sure, but I don't know, you know, how, because obviously I'm not about to take this outfit off just to try that on. So anywho, I will update you. Okay, y'all, I'm not sure like why Amazon does this, but I'll have something little like this and it'll be in like a big box, and I'm thinking like, did I order something that big? Like, why is it in this big box? But that's something I guess that Amazon does to protect y'all stuff. I don't know, our stuff, like our. But yeah, I think that maybe that's like something they do to protect the items. I don't know what that's about, but yeah. So I have like some big boxes, and these, y'all, I don't know if this is a lot of stuff, but I didn't think I had a lot of stuff, so I was like, I don't know why I'm getting these big old boxes. Fast charging box. These work really good, like really good. It's the Anchor brand. My uncle, actually, he loves that brand, so he put me on to these things. So basically what it does is like it has two different fast charging ports. It just charges fast. So basically you plug this up. You can charge 2 devices at a time, and it charges it really fast. And I hate when my phone dying, like when I'm in something good, like watching something good, and it's like screen turn black, like, what are you doing, phone? What are you doing? Like, so no, I don't like when my phone dies. So your girl gotta keep her phone charged, because I might be getting important phone calls that I'm missing, and yeah, can't let that happen. So always have one of these, and like I said, that's the Anchor brand, because these work really great. This is a laptop bag. So y'all was gonna be mad because I got this specifically for a strap, so hopefully it has, I think it does. And let's see. Ooh, y'all. I like this. Look at this. Can y'all see that? Like, can y'all see this? This is good material. Like, it's a waterproof laptop bag. But if y'all look inside of that cushion, and then it has like an inch border around it to protect your laptop. Like, do y'all know how many laptops I broke? And I probably would have not broke if I had this. But yes, look at that. That's really nice. It has a spot. I brought this because I needed something. It's 15-inch, and I needed something for my HP laptop. But it does it does fit Macs. So if you have a MacBook, you can use this for your MacBook also. There's a compartment in the front where you can slip anything, like your cell phone, if you have some accessories. But I plan on using it for my iPad. So I needed it for my iPad and my laptop, and this is perfect. Like, it's so perfect. And I was looking for this because I needed one that I can be able to carry. So this is a strap. I'm actually gonna put the strap on. It took me a minute to try to put on this strap, so I know that it's really sturdy. Like, y'all, I'm happy with this. This is a must to buy item. Look at this. Like, a must buy. You need to buy this. This is a must. And then I don't know if y'all can see that, but that material, it's like water will not get through that. It's thick. It's sturdy. It's actually very welly made, and I love the fact that it has the strap, and then the strap has this little padding on it, so it makes it not uncomfortable, you know, on your back. So yes, I love this, y'all. This is a 10-star rating. This laptop bag is definitely a 10. So we're gonna get into the next one, y'all. I don't know why Amazon always get us with the box inside of a box. Like, Lord, it's just boxes inside of boxes. I'm like, oh my god, I hate opening boxes. That's the worst part, is like the opening the box in the box. And so I literally like hurt my whole hand. Ow, I'm trying to open the box. Please be careful, because that crap hurt it. Okay, so ow, it stings. It's stinging so bad that I had the bag upside down. I hate being in pain. It's like, oh Lord, this is a must buy. Like, I'm looking at it and it's so nice. This is the Amazon Basics camera bag. So I like it. I love it. It has these clamps on it. Let's open it, because they have two colored options. I believe one was like gray in the inside. So I love that. When you open the top part, it's like two, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, you can probably put something up here, but that's another, it's a compartment. You lift that, and then once you open this, that's when you go inside of the, get to the inside of the bag. And oh, this has the same thing, the strap. So that's the strap for it, and that's pretty. It actually matches me. That's pretty. I like it. This is nice. I brought this because I needed another bag, because I did order a bag off of Amazon, y'all, and in the pictures it looked bigger. Trust me, I thought it was gonna be bigger, but no, it was very tiny and little. So I have like different accessories, a lot of accessories, and I need to actually have a nice bag, like something that's gonna be sturdy enough to carry my camera, because cameras are expensive. So this is a must buy purchase. Like, if you don't have a camera bag and you're looking for a camera bag, I would definitely recommend this, because of how like very high quality it is. It's very high quality. So yeah, if you don't have a camera bag, girl, get it. Yes, get it. Don't hesitate, because I almost hesitated and I went back and this is the one that I picked. So I'm really happy for this. So I will have the links in the description box. If you made it through this video, I just want to say thank you. And if you're not subscribed, what is you doing? Don't be shy. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted whenever I do a new video, because I am coming back with some more hauls. All the hauls that y'all want and need, just come to me on my channel. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. Have a great day. Slay all day. Bye.
take me